Hi guys, my name is Alex and welcome to Safe Crypto, the only channel that will provide you safe crypto investments. Now, we will talk about Bitcoin, how you can make money during this crash. I will not say it bear market. I will not call it that during this crash. Okay. Then we will talk about these China banning crap and um, is the stock market better than the crypto market? Yes or no? So first of all, uh, yeah, we all know that uh, Bitcoin has crashed. Yeah, it it's possible that due to Elon Musk's tweets and the cherry on the top, this China ban, which actually, as I told you guys last time in the video, it was absolute crap. It is a decision that was made in 2017, and then China said they will enforce it again. Nothing has changed, guys. China has not accepted crypto like Europe did, or even the US did, right? They are just saying, okay, we will focus on this. And this is good. Maybe now Mr. Musk will accept Bitcoin since China will have the crackdown on illegal mining farms. Like our friend here, Xiao Wang, said, three dumb things happened within the last hour. Reuters writing a misleading article on China banning, people retweeting Reuters and believing it, market dumping on the Reuters news. China didn't ban crypto, it's reinstating an anti-speculation law from years ago. Of course. Okay, so this is what the media does, especially the mainstream media. Okay, um, they want to sell their product. They want to create this fear over people. Please do not trust them. Okay, it's not a political thing. I personally try to check my information from several sources instead of believing one single source. So this has actually made the price go down. But the thing is that it has crashed a couple of times. And these crashes are from big investors and big whales. I have read hundreds of articles since my last video, okay? And it seems that these investors have held Bitcoin from up to from 1 week up to 1 month. Yeah, that's correct. They just bought Bitcoin in order to sell it. That seems strange, right? No, it doesn't. Because they have bought somewhere maybe around, let's say, if they said 1 month, this should be all the way back over here, right? So they bought over here, they let the price go up, and then they crashed it, and they crashed it, and they crashed it, and maybe they will crash it more. So when they crash it, they drop the price very low, right? This is, let me show you a specific type of crash. This is one of them, okay, over here. They dropped it, and then the paper hands have sold it, right? And they bought again the dip. They waited a little bit to go up, then they crashed it again over here, a big chunk of volume, and they waited, it went up, and then again over here, and again over here. Guys, you know what I mean, right? And every time they're doing this, they're accumulating more and more Bitcoins. Okay? It is said that the average was a guy invested 1,000, he had 1,000 Bitcoin, a newcomer, a whale, right? He used like X50, X100 leverage. And then from those 1,000, he made 12,000 Bitcoin. This is pretty crazy, right? This can be done, but it can bite you from behind. So this can happen. Now, what you can do in this bear market, try to sell high and buy again low. But as you probably discovered this yourself, I've tried this. However, the price keeps going lower and lower and lower. You cannot buy the dip every time. It's impossible. You can average down, meaning if a dip comes, try to invest money over here. If it comes again, invest money over here and over here and over here and so on. But we have limited amounts of wealth, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so it is kind of difficult. If you're a long-term investor, so if you're an investor in crypto, if you're an investor, this crashes should not affect you in any way. You need to go to sleep and chill out. If you're a short-term trader, yes, it might affect you emotionally. It can mess up your life. It can mess up your daily routine. Don't think about it. It will come up. Not today, not tomorrow, but it will come up like it came up a couple of times now. Okay? A couple of times now. I'm trying to, let me see if I can pull back 1 month. Come on, man. Oh, not sure Binance is giving me this. I'll try to give you guys another chart. When it happened in 2013, and we seen the dip in 2018, right? So those investors waited 5 years. Then what has happened at the end of 2019, beginning of 2020? Okay, so if the price goes down, if we are here right now, okay, we will try to accumulate at the bottom, meaning put some money once in a month, once um, every month maybe, okay, and try to accumulate, and it will spike up. Imagine if you're going, if let's imagine that 2021 is over here, okay, let's imagine this, and we are somewhere around here, okay, and the price might go up, but eventually sorry, if the price will go down, and you accumulate on this particular time frame, and it will go up, and it will spike again. Yes, here you'll be a millionaire. If ADA will reach $500 and you're buying it at one, how much is right now? In 2 years maximum, you will be a millionaire. Okay. Of course, the market can crash. I'm not an advisor. I'm just a normal guy like you. Okay. But we have the opportunity to accumulate. Okay. And hope for the best. The crypto world will evolve. We're just at the beginning. Okay. And it started to evolve. A lot of institutions are getting in. A lot of projects are coming in. A lot of investors are coming in. Big spenders. Okay. Don't worry about it. Now, Mr. Elon Musk, of course, he is back again, back in action. He favors cryptocurrencies over fiat. Fiat means cash, normal money that the US government, for example, has printed out during this pandemic. Bitcoin and other projects are fixed amount. They have a fixed amount in quantity. Okay, they cannot create more. So when the project starts, it will have this amount of units and that's it. They cannot create more. They have to create sub units or a project within a project to make more. But that is not possible. Bitcoin has 21 million units. We cannot create more. We can just mine it and that's it. Okay? So if we have a fixed amount, this is an asset. Okay? This is an asset. And a lot of companies and wealthy people are getting this. Now, if you were to compare, a lot of friends ask me, what about the stock market? I'm also an investor in the stock market, believe it or not. And I invested in Plug Power. It reached $73. Now it's 27. So it dropped way below half. NEO, I invested in it as well. It reached 62 and now it's half. Virgin Galactic, okay, I invested, it reached almost 60, now it's one third. Aurora Cannabis, okay, it reached 24, now it's 9. So if you were to take the stock market and compare it with Bitcoin, it is nothing. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have more stability than the stock market, in my personal view, okay, because on the stock market you have like 20 reasons why the market can crash, okay. Someone is invading, Russia is invading Europe, this country has a battle with this country, this politician does this guy does that, um, unemployment rates, and maybe many other factors that can determine the stock market to crash or to spike up. On crypto, we have like four, maybe five motives, five reasons why. Number one, Elon Musk tweets. Number two, China or India is banning crypto and rebanning and unbanning and whatever. Okay. Number three, big whales attacking and making a fool out of all of us. Okay, but that will stop. And what else do we have? That's about it. That's about it. And the scams here and there. That's about it. So we have like three, four, five reasons why the crypto market can crash. Meanwhile, on the stock market, we have like 20, 30 reasons why the stock market can crash. And these wells dropping and dropping and dropping, at some point, they have to take their winnings and go home in their big mansion and sleep well. Okay. Meanwhile, we sell. Okay. So we need to think about, of course, if you cannot do it, you need to sell because you need to pay rent, you need to do your stuff, do your thing. But these wells at some point need to cash out. And I've read a lot of articles saying that a very large amount of Bitcoin is moving towards cold wallets, meaning like wallets like Ledgers, wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, or many other wallet products, meaning they're pulling back their Bitcoin and put it in the wallets. Why? Those are the whales. No one in this moment is putting Bitcoin in the wallet. Come on. Everyone is putting it on the exchange in order to trade it, right? But a large amounts of Bitcoin units are going in those wallets. This means the whales are pouring back. Don't believe this crap about this guy who slept with someone's wife and offended the wealthy group. This is BS. Don't believe the guys saying that a specific website, 4chan or 4can, whatever, he said the price will. It's a thing with reach 30,000. No, I don't believe it. Okay, this is ridiculous. Of course, they are wealth. Of course, they want to accumulate. Of course, all of us are affected. It is because exchanges provide leverage. Okay, and some of these exchanges are not regulated, like Binance is, or like Coinbase is, or Crypto.com is. There are hundreds of exchanges over there that can do themselves. They can create these type of market orders. Okay, that's about it, guys. I really hope you liked the presentation and the video. Um, it is a good time to invest. As you can see, BNB is one third of the price, which was a few weeks ago. ADA is doing just fine. ADA is doing just fine, even though it had its spike over here. The real price was 1516, so ADA is doing just fine. Injective, I am disappointed as well. It is what it is. We have to wait. I also try to accumulate a little bit more. This is a risk in the crypto market. The market can crash, but it will recover. Not in a week, not in a month, maybe in a year, maybe in 6 months. We don't know. Can Bitcoin drop below the 30,000 mark? Of course it can. It can reach 25. I think 25 is the bottom of the bottom. Okay. However, I don't think it will drop again under the 30,000 mark. It will stay over here. This is my personal bottom. I hope I'm right. And if it goes to 25, that will be the bottom. And then you can start accumulating. Don't panic. It will be fine. If you are a long-term investor, this should not affect you in any way. You need to live your life. You don't need to stay and check your mobile app to see if the Bitcoin is going down or up. It will not affect you. If you're a short trader, try to insert very smart and not greedy stop losses and stop limits, okay? To cash in your profit, to maximize your profit, or to take out your investment when the time comes. Okay, do not be greedy. You need to be very cold when it comes to your money. Okay, don't predict, just react, and react by putting these correct stop losses. Guys, it will be fine. Don't worry. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Take care.